Creating new pepper varieties is an art. And sometimes you take two beautiful pepper plants and cross them together to create something kind of boring. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Boss. I am a Colorado certified gardener and a lover of all things spicy. Today I'm going to do a quick video review of a plant that I grew in my ornamental garden this year that is a cross between the Count Dracula pepper and the orange fish pepper. These are two beautiful pepper plant parents. The Count Dracula has deep dark foliage and beautiful red peppers that are about this shape. Looks really cool. It's like it's got daggers of blood hanging down from it, right? Cool emo pepper. Orange fish has these beautifully variegated leaves full of green and white splotches. The peppers come out with stripes on them. They oftentimes grow upwards in my experience with orange fish and yellowfish for that matter. But they're usually really cool pepper pods with stripes. Like I said, they ripen to a beautiful orange color. The offspring, in this case, these were an F3, I believe. Pretty boring. My plant was pretty much all green. No variegation, no dark foliage. The peppers came out in a nice shape, pretty consistent. I have a whole bag full of them here that are all about this same size, shape, and color. Some of them had this kind of nice dark blushing on them, so those are the ones that I'm gonna try today. But I was expecting something beautiful out in the garden, and I got something kind of boring looking. Let's find out if a great flavor and heat will come through to be the savior. One-handed chop. Ooh. Looks pretty nice inside. I won't say that it's super unique. Decent medium thickness on those walls for such a small pepper, so that's kind of nice. It's the benefit of having a couple of Capsicum annuum parents. Decent membrane in there, so maybe some heat. Let's find out. Take the cat hair off of it because I don't want to taste the cat hair. Count Dracula crossed with orange fish, F3, I do believe. Sharp heat right up front, like jalapeno sharpness, bitter. Not a great flavor. Okay. It does have some decent heat, like more than either of its parents, in my experience. Like orange fish is usually about jalapeno level heat. Count Dracula may be about twice that. This is easily 3 to 5 times hotter than a jalapeno. Sharp burn, really hitting hard at the back of my throat. Almost nothing on my tongue and my cheeks, which is weird, but it's got a good burn. I would call that 15 to 25,000 Scoville heat units as a total guess. Like I said, maybe 3 to 5 times hotter than your standard jalapeno. Not crazy, but just not a good flavor. Unattractive plant, okay looking peppers, bad flavor. Very bitter, very, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it's not even grassy or earthy. It's just, seed on my tongue. It's just bitter. Like it really just tastes like, almost like, you ever smell the compost pile on a really hot day when it's nice and moist and it has that kind of like just ugh smell? That's what this tastes like really not pleasant. Could potentially have a use as a powder, but quite honestly, these might just go right in the compost bin themselves. I'll probably save a few seeds and try and grow it next year. Maybe do like a scattered planting to see, can I find some early seedlings with dark foliage or variegated foliage, something that'll be interesting. But if that's the flavor I'm gonna continue to get, whew, totally not worth it. Count Dracula crossed with orange fish, definitely not my favorite pepper this year. Didn't look good, didn't taste good, has a good spice. So it's not all bad. If you want to see me eat some other peppers that I really enjoy, watch this playlist here. If you want to learn the history of the jalapeno pepper, watch this video here. No matter what happens in your garden, always remember, plants help us grow. God, that was gross. Like,